name is Nair, and I'll be performing a piece from Little Shop of Horrors. It's called Girl For Me. Yeah.
Okay, pause. Not bad, not good, not right, not wrong. We're just gonna see if we can improve a little bit on this, right?
Hello, my name is Destiny Lester, and today I will be singing Somewhere That's Green from Little Shop of Horrors.
Hello, my name is Maximus, and I'll be doing a poem from our most recent performance called Up in Letters. The poem is called Cruise Control.
Good. Okay, good. Let's just try one little thing.
I've given you sunshine, I've given you dirt. You've given me nothing but heartache and hurt. I'm begging you sweetly, I'm down on my knees. Oh, please grow for me.
Somewhere that's green. He rakes and trims the grass. He loves to mow and weed. I cook like Betty Crocker, and I look like Donna Reed. There's plenty.
Hi from everyone. It was our little secret, and it felt fun. I hold his hand under the table, make sure his foot was touching mine, and now my feelings are real, and I'm not fine. I'm anxious and less confident. I've been open about myself, but I'm living the opposite. It's like living in the past.